I traveled all the way here to test the DJI Neo with this beautiful scenic location, the longest beach in the Philippines. Let's see this from above. Oh my gosh, it's been 5 years since my last visit here. So yeah, 5 years ago I was here and I really love this place. I said I want to go back. Recently, I just crashed my drone, my Mini 3 Pro, after 3 years of not crashing anything. I didn't cry much because I know something's coming. Although I cried for a while, let's be honest. Sobrang sakit na mawalan. Pero pag may nawala, alam mong may paparating. At nandito na siya ngayon sa likod ko. I remember 5 years ago, I reviewed a drone, Mavic Air, my first unboxing video, which I also crashed. Hopefully this one that I have right now, I won't gonna crash it in the future. If you have zero experience of flying drone, this will be the perfect for you. And it's finally happening. DJI finally noticed me and they sent me a drone. Can't wait to finally show you their latest drone, the lightest drone ever. It's finally inside my bag right now. Upo ako dito. Excited na akong buksan siya. Excited na ba kayo? So, ito na siya. This is the smallest and lightest drone up to date, the DJI Neo. Welcome to the family. I don't have family right now because this is my only drone right now. Let's do a close-up shot so you can actually see the box. Oh my gosh, this is so lightweight. I can't believe this is just 139 grams. And if you don't have any experience of flying a drone before, or you just recently crashed a drone, or you just want to record your daily vlogs, I think this is the perfect drone for you. I'm so glad that DJI has finally released this kind of drone for beginners or for just documenting your daily lives. Maybe I need a knife. Let's get one. I need a table, or maybe I'll just do it here while watching the sunset at the back. So nice. It's such a perfect location. Kuya, may kutsilyo ka? Kutsilyo? Thank you. Kuya, may cutter ka? Actually, this package takes 20 days to arrive. I realized I don't need the knife. I can just pull it out. And what am I talking about? Guess where it is? It's the longest beach in the Philippines. It's 14 kilometers long stretch and it's very raw right now. I think I'm just the only one in here. I mean, on the spot. And yeah, I can now finally open it. Sorry, I don't need the knife. Nagabala pa si Kuya. Walang cutter. Kuya, wala kang papatayin. Ito na yung kutsilyo. We're gonna start opening it now. Oh my gosh. I'm so lucky to have this. I think I really need this, especially that I usually travel alone and I don't have someone to film me. I need a lightweight drone. I'm a videographer and you usually solo travel a lot. This is the perfect drone for you and it's now in my hand. Let's unbox it. Actually, this is Fly More Combo, DJI Neo Fly More Combo, Bundle Fly More. So they have two versions. The standard package, which only has a drone and one battery without remote control. And later, I'm gonna explain it further. But first, let's unbox it. Ito na siya. What's in here? Wow. So, they have the battery. It comes with 3 batteries. Oh my gosh, parang uulan. Sana hindi ako buti ng ulan. It has 3 batteries in here. It's still sealed. Let's open it now. Wow. Ang bango niya. It's very lightweight, as you can see. It has charger. This is for the remote control. 1 Type-C adapter for Type-C phones and 1 Type-C adapter to an iPhone device. And another one, this is our screwdriver if you need to change the propeller, I think. And what's in here? Now we have a remote control. I think this is called RC3. I forgot the term. I'm gonna put a subtitle here. It's kind of similar to other drones out there. I think you can also use an FPV remote control here because This drone apparently can also be controlled by a motion controller and an FPV. And yeah, this is our remote control. This is called DJI RC-M3. It's very lightweight. I think my last remote control like this was when I used DJI Mavic Air 2. So I'm gonna miss the screen monitor, but it's okay because we have a plot twist for this one. Wait, ito na siya. Na-excite ako. Oh my gosh, sobrang gaan niya. It's very lightweight. It's just 139 grams and it's so nice. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. This is how small the drone is. I'm gonna show you how small it is. Comparing my phone. It's very lightweight. My phone, I think this is 150 grams. It feels like my phone is bigger than the DJI Neo. Wow. We're gonna start opening it now. How do I review a drone? Wow, it's very lightweight. I can't believe this is a drone. This is a drone right now that hopefully it will last longer. Comment below what do you think. How many days do you think it will last? Or how many years? I think it's wrong to do unboxing here. Day 1 may buhangin agad. Such a clumsy girl. I'm gonna transfer a location to do an in-depth review of this drone and tell you more about it. Apparently you can use this DJI RC-M3 with this DJI Neo, or you have option to use your mobile phone. I think in order for me to actually appreciate this drone, let's do a test review of this DJI Neo and I'm gonna transfer it to a different location. Maybe I'll do biking. Let's go. Kaya to? I don't know. Let's see. So okay naman yung hangin right now. I think this drone can handle this wind. Hello po. I traveled all the way here to test the DJI Neo. Let's see this from above.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Home point updated.
So, tumunog na yung home point updated. Super lit niya, parang laruan. I don't know if I can go here. Can we? Medyo kita natin na gumagalaw-galaw ng konti yung drone kasi it's too windy right now. But I'm gonna try to race a little bit. I don't know. Kaya ba?
I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
Takeoff.
Landing.
Wow. Smooth landing. I love that whenever you're gonna land, you won't feel anything because it has propeller guard in here. Whew. Now, we just tested it using the remote control. Now, let's try to test the DJI Neo without using any remote control. Yeah, unlike other drones, the DJI Neo doesn't require remote control. You can take off and land it on your palm effortlessly while capturing cinematic footage with you in focus. This small drone is equipped with intelligent follow quick shots, stabilized 4K video recording, and more. Except for follow mode, the Neo will return to its home point after completing other intelligent shooting modes. To land, simply place your palm underneath it and the Neo will automatically land in your hand. Parang lumalapit siya sa akin kapag tapos na yung task.
Landing.
After flying and testing the drone, here are my thoughts about it. I love how smooth the AI tracking is. It looks into me and follows smoothly like a personal videographer. It also adjusts my speed while maintaining the correct distance. Although I haven't tried it in crowded areas yet, I think it works pretty well when the camera only focuses on you. Here's a sample shot of me running. Look how smooth it is. Here's another shot of me cycling. I also tried using active track with the remote control. I wish they added a follow mode, front-facing tracking. Currently, the drone always follows me from behind, so I hope a future firmware update adds sideways and front-facing follow modes. As for other features, I tried the quick shots including drone circle, spotlight, helix, and boomerang with no remote control needed. You just have to make sure the location is safe for filming as the drone has no obstacle avoidance. I also love how stabilized the drone is with its reliable EIS. Another feature I love is the voice command. Just say "Hey fly" and the drone will automatically take off. Despite being a small drone, it can handle approximately 17 minutes of flight time with propeller guards. Each battery performs at least 20 palm takeoffs. It has 22 GB of built-in storage, but it isn't expandable. Regarding the charging time, it takes approximately 60 minutes to charge 3 batteries simultaneously from 0% to 100%. There were just some instances that the drone was really super low. Yeah, so I think the best option here is to adjust it first before using the follow mode, because sometimes it's actually near my rear wheel. But I really love that it has some distance to me but still follows me all throughout. As you can see, it follows my speed and look how smooth it is. I also tried it with the windy situation, so unfortunately, since the drone is very lightweight, so I'm so scared to fly further. And yeah, I got the notice of strong wind notice even though I'm just 100 meters away. But even though this is just a small drone, it has a max wind resistance of 8 meters per second with the level 4 wind resistance. When it comes with the other features, the Wi-Fi video transmission distance is up to 50 meters and the battery life is approximately 18 minutes of flight time or 17 minutes with propeller guards. Each battery supports at least 20 palm takes off and landings for consecutive shoots. The drone's compact design makes it highly portable without compromising its robust capabilities. I didn't test the range because the drone is so small that I was afraid it might fly away. However, it has an 0.4 video transmission distance of 10km FCC. For photos, it has a 12 megapixel camera that can also capture in 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 60 FPS, but only in normal mode. It seems DJI didn't include all the advanced features in the first product release. But the question is this DJI Neo worth buying for? I would say yes, especially if you're traveling alone who just want to document your daily life. This drone is a must-have. It's a beginner-friendly drone and even those with no experience can handle it. Plus, it's super affordable, costing only $18,999 for the Fly More combo and $10,799 for the standard package with superb image quality at 4K 30 FPS. Although it can handle some establishing shots, this is not a drone for higher or cinematic aerial shots. I suggest getting the Mini 4 Pro for that. If you want to buy this product, I have the link in the description. I hope this video helps you decide whether to buy this latest DJI drone. And yeah, follow for more adventures. Bye! Now I'm just gonna enjoy the sunset and see you in the next few places.